Mga dapat tandaan after mong bunutan ng ngipin. First of all, after 30 minutes, yung pinakagat sa yung bulak, pwede mo nang tanggalin. Pagka may dumudugo pa, palitan ng sterile na bulak, kagatin. Kung wala, yung isang balot ng tsaa, kagatin ng another 30 minutes. It will help it heal faster. Iwasan mo din ang madalas na pagmumungog 12 hours after kang bunutan. Ang pagmumungog will induce bleeding, lalo na pag sinaswish mo. Don't swish. Diretso lang, spit. Okay? Lagyan ng malamig na pimento or cold compress 30 minutes or 20 minutes after mabunutan. Uminom ng niresetang gamot ng inyong doctor and bumili. Siyempre, wala kang iinumin pag hindi ka bumili. Okay. So, paalam mo rin kung may allergy ka. Para your doctor knows if you're allergic to so many drugs. Iwasan ang mabibigat na gawain at madalas na pananalita. Ang mabibigat na gawain includes gym, exercise, heavy lifting. What's the nature of your work? Driving is generally okay. Riding a motorcycle, medyo matatagdag ka. Riding an airplane, riding a bus or jeepney, it's just a little stress, no? Pwede namang gawin. Huwag lang masyadong matagdag. Stay away from hot places. Stay away from heat, lalo na kung summer. Hindi pwedeng ma-stress ang katawan, baka hindi kayanin ang healing process. Kumain ng katamtaman lamang. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ng katawan mo nang wala masyadong mataas na sugar because you're trying to heal. Also, iwasan ang mga bagoong itlog, malalansang pagkain. Why? Why? Anything naman that can trigger your allergy or can easily hit your allergic reaction, bawasan. And of course, bumalik after 5 to 7 days or as requested by your doctor